Hello everyone, welcome back, and this is the fourth video of this video series on how to design a sound studio or recording studio website with WordPress CMS and Elementor Face Builder plugin. Okay, so far we have designed two pages, home page and about us page, and in this video let's design a services page. Okay, here let's insert a template from my template about us that we have set before. Okay, this is it, and go to style, background color, insert a background image like this, and advance. Let's increase the paging to about 250 like this. Okay, and change this color to white and the content to our services, something like this. Write few lines describing your services, or a catchy phrase, something, and change this color to get code or something, and link to can take a space. Okay, change the color to white. So before that, okay, let's copy this hex code, Control C, and change the color to white and paste the hex code here. Okay, like this, and hover color, border color white, background color transparent, text color white. Okay, something like this. Okay, that's it. And then let's insert service, insert it. No. Okay, that's it. Then we can insert service packages. Yep, here we can insert box, insert it. No. Okay, like this, and delete this widgets. Okay, service packages, recording plans or something like this. And here let's insert pricing. Yeah, let's insert the pricing table. Let's insert margin at the top about 50 here, negative space here, and edit this pricing widget price. Say it should be per hour. Okay, per hour, and it changes this set to, for example, one recording set and 3 repetitions or 3 trial, something like this. One sound engineer, something like this. Yeah, you add the services you provide in your service package, recording service package, then go to style. Okay, let's change the colors. This okay, border color, then price, background color. You can also remove this like this, change to something like this, and button. Paging about 50 at the left, sorry, top 15, right 50, 15, bottom 50 at the left, something like this. Okay, $20, line height about 10, too much 15. Okay, leave the default 20. Okay, that's fine too. And button wording, change to register now or something. And you can link this to contact us page, or you can you can create a product at a payment gateway, like Razorpay, or you can install e-commerce plugins like WooCommerce and create a plugin, create a product, link to this plan. For now, let's link to contact us page. Okay, something like this. Then here, pricing, style, title, change to Oswald, basic 400, transform uppercase. Okay, basic plan. Copy this, paste like this, change to basic, medium. You can name whatever plan you want. So let's say, for example, you can change the name to amateur. Professional, commercial, something like this. You can name. Something like this. Okay, that's it. And then in the last section, let's insert the CTA. Insert it. No. Okay, that's it. Our services, blah blah blah, get caught, recording, mixing, mastering, and services packages, recording plans. Then this call to action. Okay, that's it. Update it. Okay, that's it for this video, and let's design the works or the portfolio page and the contact us page in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope this video is helpful to you. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, see you in the next video.